If you're seeing Steam error 740 and the message says the requested operation requires elevation, don't worry, this usually means the game needs administrator permissions to run, but Steam or the game itself doesn't have them yet. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back to gaming without the constant launch error. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the easiest fix, which is running Steam as administrator. Close Steam completely so it is not running in the background. Then, find the Steam icon on your desktop or in your start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This gives Steam the higher permissions it may need to launch the game correctly. Now try opening your game again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to set the game itself to run in admin mode. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that is giving you the error and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Browse. This opens the game's installation folder. Inside that folder, look for the game's main executable file, usually the .exe file. Right-click it, select Properties, and then open the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. This tells Windows to always give the game the permissions it needs when it starts. Now, if you still get Steam error 740, the next thing to do is verify the game files. Sometimes this error happens because a file is missing or corrupted. To repair that, go back into Steam, right-click the game in your library again and open Properties. Then choose Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the installation and automatically download any missing or broken files. Depending on the game size, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before launching the game again. Another possible cause is your antivirus software. Some security programs can block Steam or the game from running properly, especially if the game is trying to launch with elevated permissions. Open your antivirus settings and add an exception or exclusion for the Steam folder. If needed, also add the specific game folder. This helps prevent your antivirus from interfering with the game launch while still keeping your system protected. After trying each of these steps, launch the game again and check whether the error has been fixed. In most cases, one of these solutions will resolve Steam error 740 quickly. If not, it may also help to restart your PC after making the changes, since Windows sometimes needs a fresh restart to apply new permission settings properly. That's it for this tutorial on fixing Steam error 740. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.